The British High Street has always been a popular place to buy and sell. Recently, however, this has changed. 14% of town centre shops are now empty. So, where have all the shoppers gone? This is the Oracle in Reading, England. It opened in 1999 and it cost £250 million to build. Today, it has 90 shops on 3 different levels and covers over 80,000 square metres. Shoppers can browse their favourite labels, have a meal or a drink in one of its 22 restaurants, cafes and bars, or even watch a film in its 10-screen cinema. With its glass roof and riverside location, the Oracle offers a 21st century shopping experience. It is an exciting and entertaining place where you can buy all of today's most fashionable brand names. But shopping centres are not just a 21st century phenomenon. The Burlington Arcade, which opened in 1819, was one of the world's first shopping centres. Lord George Cavendish, the man who built the arcade, said it was for the sale of jewellery and fancy articles. Today, shoppers can still buy luxurious and unique products, such as handmade gold and silverware, precious materials, and even these golden slippers. The arcade is almost 200 metres long and has been a part of London's history for almost 200 years. However, the Burlington's owners are going to modernise this traditional shopping arcade. Something they are very excited about is that some global modern brands, like Lulu Guinness and Jimmy Choo, are going to be based there, as well as the older specialist stores, like Penhaligon's and the jewellers Hemming of London. The Burlington Arcade and the Oracle are 2 very different shopping centres, but both are almost always busy. Experts predict that this is going to change as online shopping becomes more popular and people start to shop from home. However, at the moment, only about 10% of retail transactions take place online, while 31% take place in shopping centres. As long as places like the Burlington Arcade and the Oracle continue to offer convenience and choice, they will continue to be a popular place to shop.